Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox necklace. First, let's plan your design. Think about the style you want, whether it's a simple beaded chain or something more elaborate with charms. Gather your materials, such as colorful beads, sturdy string, and perhaps a small pendant. Consider the length. A 20-inch chain is a popular choice for many. Having a clear vision helps ensure a smooth crafting process from start to finish. Now, let's begin assembling your necklace. Start by cutting your string. A length of about 25 inches usually provides enough slack for knotting. Carefully thread your chosen beads and charms onto the string, following your planned design. Take your time to ensure each piece is correctly oriented and spaced. This step is where your creative vision truly comes to life, building the foundation of your unique accessory. With your beads threaded, it's time for the finishing touches. Tie a strong, secure knot at each end of your necklace to prevent any beads from slipping off. Next, attach a clasp or closure, like a lobster clasp, which makes wearing and removing your necklace simple. Finally, carefully trim any excess string close to the knots for a clean, professional appearance. Your Roblox necklace is almost ready to wear. To truly make your necklace one of a kind, consider adding unique elements like glow-in-the-dark beads or miniature game-inspired charms. Remember to store your finished piece properly, perhaps in a small pouch, to prevent tangling or damage. If it gets a little dusty, a gentle wipe with a soft, dry cloth will keep it looking its best. Enjoy your personalized, handmade Roblox accessory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.